Okay, so this recording is to explain how you can use your standard PowerPoint to do a screen recording. So many people think that you need Adobe Captivate, for instance, to do that, but your standard PowerPoint is able to do that as well. So what I will do is I have my PowerPoint open, just a new PowerPoint, and I will go to Insert. As you can see at the top here, I will click on Insert, and on the media side you can see that you can start a screen recording. So if you click on that, you will have the option to select a certain area. Well, in this case I will select this screen area, and in the meantime I have my browser open. I want to log into my Rico and do some recording from the learning catalog. So at the moment I am in the learning catalog, and I need to click on record to start the recording from PowerPoint. So if I click on record, you will see that it will start. I will scroll down in my browser and I can go, for instance, to the TotalFlow print server, and I can go to the introduction module. I can go to the training material, and I can even have a look at the content itself and see if it will start. Okay, well, I hope that is clear. So that is one thing you can do. Let me see, I need to open up my PowerPoint again. And what I want to do now is I want to quit the recording. So I use the Windows button on my keyboard. So Windows, Shift and the Q to stop the recording for PowerPoint. And immediately you will see that the video will appear in my PowerPoint slide. I can start playing it, and it is a complete video in my PowerPoint slide, which I just recorded. Well, normally in PowerPoint you can always right click on a media. It can be a picture, or in this case it's a video. I can save the media as well, the MP4. I will do that on the desktop. Of course, that will take a moment. In the meantime, I will save my PowerPoint and I will close my PowerPoint. Here you can see the media. It is saved from so I saved it from that PowerPoint slide, and I just started now with my VLC media player. So it's just a separate MP4 video screen recording I just created with my PowerPoint. Another way of get this media is that you can imagine that if you have a PowerPoint with a lot of content, not only video but also images, a PowerPoint is built out of XML. So you see the extension is PPTX. So what I can do now is I can rename it into a zip, and I will confirm yes. So now it is a zip. If I extract this zip to a new folder, you will see that this is how a PowerPoint is built. It's built out of an XML file, and this XML file is explaining exactly how those slides are built, what kind of template do I use, what kind of media is in. And if I click in the media, you see my MP4 is embedded as well. And if you have a lot of images in the slides, you will find also all your images in a separate folder. So it's a very quick way of making use of your PowerPoint, well, to extract to a total overview of all the content you want to have separated from your slides. So I hope this was useful. And I think the capturing tool is already a very interesting tool to use. in a day-to-day business within Rico. So thank you for watching, and I hope it was very useful for you.